It was crucial for us to show that an electric car can also be a great car. It's actually frustrating, and that's one of the main reasons I invested so much time, energy, and my personal financial resources into helping bring Tesla to life, to help push forward the electric car revolution. Tesla's journey has always been about proving that electric cars can be outstanding, and the 2025 Model Y takes that promise to the next level by offering features designed to meet the everyday challenges and experiences of American drivers. Whether it's handling snowy winters or managing long road trips across vast highways, these updates are meant to make driving easier, safer, and more comfortable. This year, Tesla is focusing on practical improvements that address everyday needs, like better app integration for those chilly Midwest mornings, smarter security systems for families with busy schedules, and innovative comfort features perfect for long drives or hot summer days. These aren't just flashy additions, they're carefully considered upgrades that make your Model Y even more enjoyable to own. Let's take a closer look at the 7 free updates that make the 2025 Model Y ready for wherever your journey takes you. But before we dive in, let's take a few seconds and help Autofotion reach 2,000 subscribers. First, smarter Tesla app features. Winter mornings are no longer something to dread, thanks to the 2025 Model Y's app upgrades. One of the most frustrating problems in cold climates, frozen door handles, is now a thing of the past. With the Tesla app, you can unlock your car remotely, avoiding the hassle of physically searching for frozen handles, and there's no need to step outside into the cold to scrape off ice. Just tap your phone and the car's locking mechanism unlocks the doors. This can save you 5 to 10 minutes, helping you stay warm and dry, which is especially useful in places like Minnesota, where temperatures often fall below -10 degrees Fahrenheit. The Tesla app also steps up convenience with enhanced remote features. You can now check your Model Y's battery status from your phone without needing to go outside. The app provides up-to-the-minute data that estimates your range, factoring in conditions like terrain and weather. When you're on longer trips, it can help you plan your route and find nearby charging stations so you can manage your stops efficiently. The notifications will also alert you when it's time to recharge, so you never have to worry about your battery running low. Another noteworthy update is the ability to adjust the seats and seat heating individually. Drivers can now fine-tune the seat angles or increase seat warmth by up to 3 levels in advance. Especially helpful during the colder months. Passengers can instantly adjust their seat heat for ultimate comfort. Preconditioning the car when needed can even save up to 5 to 10% of battery life, making these features not only convenient, but also energy efficient. Whether you're handling errands, dropping off kids, or getting ready for a long trip, these upgrades are designed to fit perfectly into your daily life. Comment 1 if the unlocking feature excites you, comment 2 if the battery updates are what caught your eye, or comment 3 if the preheated ventilated seats are your must-have feature. Focus. Second, keycard and access revamped. Tesla's new keycard and access system upgrade is transforming convenience, security, durability, and even potential business opportunities for car owners. The 2025 Model Y is greatly benefiting from this upgrade. A single keycard made of durable metal for greater longevity can now be used for multiple vehicles, eliminating the need to carry different cards or manage separate accounts. This streamlined solution is perfect for families or groups, making transitions between users easy and hassle-free. Additionally, this enhancement makes the 2025 Model Y an ideal choice for rental businesses. This electric vehicle, famous for its combination of high-end luxury and economical performance, is now, along with its versatile keycard, a top contender for rental fleets. It simplifies operations, reduces administrative headaches, and provides a seamless handover experience for customers. The metal card's superior durability ensures it can handle frequent use, providing a reliable and long-lasting solution for both personal and business applications. On the security front, Tesla has introduced advanced encryption for both keycard and app-based access, greatly boosting vehicle protection. The upgraded encryption guarantees that even if a keycard or phone is lost or stolen, unauthorized users cannot access the vehicle, securing both physical and digital access points. This ensures that only authorized individuals can unlock and operate the car. Third, Remote Sentry Mode. Remote Sentry Mode features significantly enhanced vehicle security by allowing Tesla owners to view and save Sentry Mode clips remotely through the Tesla app. This update eliminates the need for physical access to the vehicle so users can monitor their car's surroundings from anywhere. Sentry mode, which records video when it detects potential threats, has proven extremely effective at protecting Teslas. According to Tesla's data, this feature has helped prevent hundreds of incidents, including theft and damage. In fact, the implementation of Sentry mode has contributed to a 50% drop in theft rates of Teslas in areas where it's actively used. With the ability to view footage remotely, owners can assess any situation instantly, offering peace of mind whether their vehicle is parked in a busy parking lot or a quiet street. This added convenience and security make it easier to monitor and protect your Model Y 2025 without being physically present. Fourth, blind spot warning system. This upgrade features two key innovations: dual-purpose interior lights and small LED blind spot indicators. Tesla continues to push the boundaries of interior technology with the Model Y Juniper, introducing integrated advanced RGB lighting that allows drivers to customize the cabin's ambient lighting through the touchscreen. This system offers a wide range of color options, from calming blues for nighttime drives to vibrant reds for a dynamic, sporty feel. The lighting spans the entire interior, offering a more refined and immersive atmosphere. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the system includes diagnostic tools that let users test the light's health, perform repairs, and execute RGB addressing routines when replacing lighting strips. Additionally, Tesla has improved safety by transforming interior LED lights into dual-purpose indicators. These lights now serve as blind spot and turn signal alerts, flashing or changing color when a vehicle is detected nearby or when lane changes are initiated, providing timely warnings. These alerts activate within 3 to 5 seconds, especially useful in low light conditions, helping improve visibility and reduce accidents. Together, these enhancements combine functionality, safety, and luxury for a next-generation driving experience. Fifth, large central touchscreen with faster UI and zoomable digital mirror. The 2025 Model Y upgrades the driving experience with its 15.6-inch central touchscreen, now 15% larger than before. Whether you're navigating California's Highway 1 or cruising Chicago's busy streets, the expanded display gives you a clearer view of maps, controls, and media. The improved interface is 25% faster, making it easier to adjust cabin temperature or select a playlist without distractions. Navigation is now 30% quicker, so you'll make that critical exit on I-94 without delays. Meanwhile, passengers can easily queue up a movie for the kids or adjust seat settings for maximum comfort during long trips. With its enhanced size, speed, and functionality, this touchscreen isn't just a feature, it's a perfect companion for every journey. Inspired by the bold design of the Cybertruck, Tesla has introduced an innovative, zoomable digital mirror with adjustable viewing angles, transforming how drivers see behind them, hiding back from the world of television and movies. Walk when reversing into tight spaces like the Mall of America parking lot in Minneapolis, where visibility is limited by pedestrians and other vehicles. The zoomable digital mirror offers a much clearer view than traditional mirrors, helping eliminate blind spots that would otherwise go unnoticed. Sixth, the next generation of FSD. The 2025 Model Y Juniper introduces the latest advancements in Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving technology, debuting with FSD version 13.2 S1. This marks a significant leap forward in autonomous driving. One of the standout features is lane assist, which helps keep the vehicle centered within its lane, making necessary steering adjustments if the car drifts unintentionally. Lane Assist operates seamlessly between 25 and 90 mph, adding comfort and safety, especially on long highway drives or in traffic. Speed Assist is another key feature, ensuring you stay within the speed limit by monitoring road signs and current speed limits. The system alerts you if you exceed the speed limit, preventing speeding tickets and promoting safe driving. Collision Avoidance Assist is a huge safety benefit, using sensors to detect potential obstacles and automatically applying the brakes to avoid or mitigate accidents. Whether you're in stop-and-go traffic or traveling at higher speeds, the system can reduce your speed to avoid rear-end collisions. Adaptive Cruise Control enhances highway driving by adjusting the car's speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front, adapting smoothly to changing traffic conditions. All of these systems continuously improve, via Tesla's over-the-air software updates, making the driving experience safer, more intuitive, and relaxing. You can trust that your car is looking out for you every step of the way, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising along a quiet highway. Finally, HVAC 2.0 for ultimate comfort. The 2025 Model Y Juniper is equipped with HVAC 2.0, an advanced climate control system that offers split temperature control, ensuring personalized comfort for every passenger. This is particularly useful for families, especially when traveling with babies. The driver can set their preferred temperature, while the passenger side climate control can be turned off or adjusted independently, ensuring the baby stays warm and comfortable in the back seat. Meanwhile, the driver's comfort is not compromised, allowing them to focus on the road without worrying about their little one. Whether you're going on a road trip, a weekend getaway, or just your daily commute, this feature helps create the ideal travel environment, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride for everyone. With all these amazing upgrades available for free in the 2025 Tesla Model Y, which features do you think are worth the investment? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. The 2025 Tesla Model Y brings exciting updates that enhance comfort, convenience, and safety, reflecting Tesla's commitment to continuous innovation. These features improve the overall driving experience, ensuring every journey is more personalized and enjoyable. Tesla owners are encouraged to explore these updates and make their Model Y even more tailored to their needs as the brand continues to prioritize customer satisfaction and innovation. Don't forget to join AutoFusion and be part of the electric revolution where speed meets innovation. Thank you